Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to insert an SD card on your Black Shark gaming tablet. To insert a microSD card, like one that I have one here, right here, you will need to open the SD card slot. Now, as you can see right here, it has this little hole, and you need to insert a tool like a pin or needle or SD card tray opener that I think is included in the box of this tablet. Now it will remove your SD card tray, and you can simply just put an SD card in it like that. Now put the SD card inside right here, and then it will get recognized by the system. So as you can see right now, when I slide down from the top of the screen, you'll find the SD card is recognized, and then when I go to the Files app, I'll find the card right here, and I could see different things on it. But what else can you do is you can go to like your files or anything. Let's go to my BSG1, which is the tablet itself, and let's go to, for example, videos on it, and then I should have a video, this one. And if I want to save it on my SD card, then I could click on, no, that's not going to be share. Actually, I need to select it from here. So press and hold on it, then click on three dots, and I should click on move to. And now I could select where, and I'll select the SD card. I could select a folder within it, or just move it to the SD card, to the root folder. Click on move, and as you can see, it is there right here. So that's how you can move your files, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.